a treasure of divine natural splendor that lies alongside the seashore on the western edge of the map is Konkan. A perfect milieu for those who are obsessed about a soul-to-soul relationship with Mother Nature. And the heart of this paradise on earth is known as Dapoli, a mystique location alongside the seashore, surrounded by hills and at the backdrop of thick expanse of green. Nearby places are Anzarle, Burundi, Karde and Harnai Port and Dabhol. The most ideal place to unearth your dream of a second home in Konkan. The range of the Sahyadris enthralls, and religious places like Kadyavarcha Ganpati at Anzarle makes you feel spellbound with devotion. Other breathtaking attractions are a Chandika Mandir, a Dargah at Kelshi, and Keshavraj, a place of sublime natural beauty, and many more. To redefine this extremely superb setting, we are constructing a one-of-its-kind project right here at Dapoli. Welcome to Aparant, the land of nature, the land of heavenly happiness, created by Bhagwan Shri Parshuram. As far as location of a holiday home in Konkan is concerned, it couldn't get better than this. Dapoli has been a favorite tourist destination since ages. It is a calm and quiet place. Situated more than 700 feet above sea level, it is also called the Mini Mahabaleshwar because of its cool climate throughout the year. Dapoli's easy connectivity with popular tourist spots makes the idea of staying here even more entrancing. And Aparant is like a crowning glory. From one side, it has Konkan Krishi Vidyapith in its neighborhood, and one side has been covered by hillocks and immense greenery. Amidst this picturesque beauty, Aparant looks like a jewel in the crown. The presentation so far must have given you a clear idea as to why we chose Dapoli in Ratnagiri district for our ambitious project. A comfortable drive of 195 kilometers from Panvel or 200 kilometers from Pune will lead you to the grand, attractive entrance of Aparant. You will have to hold your breath because the moment you enter, you will feel like you are visiting a plush project equipped with all the luxuries. Aparant is truly an eco-friendly project with 75% green area lush with abundant plantation. Right in front, you will see a pleasant-looking temple, and this site will refresh you. A 360-degree view of Aparant will tantalize your sensitivities. The first impression will certainly mesmerize you. A joyful drive down a wide, spacious road will take you to beautifully constructed, posh row houses. These immaculately designed holiday homes are 3 BHK row houses. In all, Aparant has only 60 such architectural marvels. The entry from the door opens in a neatly spaced out hall or living room. On your left, there is a big kitchen. The passage alongside the toilet will lead you to the back door. The neighboring room is a huge bedroom. Now, let us climb up to the first floor from the staircase, which is in between terrace and the bedroom. The passage on the upper floor will open into 2 rooms and a large terrace, one of which is the master bedroom. One smaller terrace will give you a different, breathtaking view. Even if you haven't visited the home, you would have realized that there is enough room for every emotion, aspiration, and mischief too. A fully equipped club within the premises is at your service. If you want to chill out with your family or order food or any other services, the club will provide all essential services and facilities like any star property. Amenities galore. Just by having a look at them, you will realize that these are pretty well thought out homes. A robust security system, servants' quarters, a generator backup, street lights will illuminate the surroundings, and anyone arriving at Aparanth during evening time will be awestruck to see the grandeur of the project. We know for sure that nobody would like to stay away from this exquisite project. Aparanth, don't think twice before grabbing this opportunity. Owning a property here now is truly speaking a value proposition. Make it your weekend home or look at it from the investment point of view. In either case, you win. So, till then, goodbye from Aparanth, a project developed by Image Developers in association with Aquitos Group, Easy Promoters and Developers, and presented by Rajyog Properties.